Hi Z Droppers. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can easily bulk increase or decrease prices and quantities on Shopify and eBay using the Z Drop dashboard. Navigate to the menu and select Personal Websites. From there, choose either Shopify or eBay. Once you're on the page displaying all your items, pick the items you wish to modify. Then, proceed to the Change Quantity button or the Change Price option. For altering the price, you'll need to input a percentage value. So we run first change quantity and then change price.